My Weesie Nation, I want y'all to come on along as I clean up the kitchen. As you see, I still haven't taken that Valentine's down. I consider that to still be love in this kitchen, so that's why it's still up. Nice, sludgy bleach water for the dishes. The dish is not clean if you're not using bleach. Certain way to wash dishes. Glass and cups first. I missed one. I like to wash my glass and cups first before I start doing the main dishes. I guess because I don't want the food and stuff, I feel like it's unsanitary if you don't wash your glass first. Sometimes the silverwares get stuck in the dishes and I thought I'd be having it all out, but I don't. I'm going to finish washing up the dishes and I'll be back. containers are empty. I need to go grocery shopping. I'm gonna rotate the sugar. Just like you see in the store when they be rotating the cans, bring it up to the front, then put the new ones in the back. So that's what I'm about to do with this sugar. Old school. This me. Old school now. Where is it? Refill on my SOS pad. This is what I use to clean my stove with. Nothing else but this. I need to restock. I wet it a little bit. Then I go to clean it. Wish I had one of these stoves that clean itself. But I guess if we did have that, I still would be here trying to clean, because if it clean itself, I will still find something on the stove. sugar. And like I said, I'm gonna rotate. So I'm gonna put this sugar right here. Put this sugar inside something so I can rotate it. And I'm gonna wash it. And I'm gonna do the same for the flour. And take it over and wash it. Okay, whilst I'm waiting on the sugar container and the sugar container and the flour container to dry, I'm going to restock these containers with these new items. And I did a video on this. Watch the video, okay? Watch the video all the way through. And then after you finish watching it, you will see something come up on top. You click that as well and subscribe. Okay? So I'm about to put these in the containers here. All right, the container is already dry. The flour container, sugar container. See, I tried to pour it in there carefully, and I made this mess. Now I gotta clean this up and continue. I did that backwards. Oops. So the new sugar go to the bottom, and then the old sugar go on top. Remember, I said I was rotating. I didn't make too much mess like I did with the flour. Over there. That's why I'm planning on baking over there. So I want y'all to stay tuned to the next video. Kitchen all clean. And restock. I thought this was so cute. It's a good day to have a good day. The month, the day, and the date. I got this from the Dollar Tree. Well, it's not the Dollar Tree anymore. It's Dollar Plus. Isn't this cute? The whole 12 months. I just gave her hair a good wash after having the braids in for 2 to 3 months. We are sitting here having a debate on how she want her hair. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Keep your post notification bell turned on because you don't want to miss the video that's coming after this video. And also you don't want to miss the finishing touch of my daughter's hair. And I thank y'all for watching.